Hello, everyone. As Patricia said, I'm Dutch. I'm living in Thailand already for 10 years. Been active in organic food and agriculture. And in those 10 years, I learned a lot about clean food and clean chilies in specific. This is what I want to talk about today. Actually, I want to make sure that all the food we produce, specifically the chilies, are clean. And what I would mean with clean is that they contain no chemicals at all. Chili traditionally use a lot of chemicals for conquering pests, deal with climate change, and also there's a lot of chemical fertilizers used. Typically, farmers use more than 60 types of chemicals, multiple times a week, which leave traces in the product and is poisoning actually a lot of people, over 200,000 annually. It is not only cause for the human health, but also harm non-target species like birds and bees, and also is polluting the soil. A lot of the chemicals have even been found in chili peppers meant for the EU, so checking is not always effective. I would say in a nutshell, addressing these chemicals is crucial. This is our problem we want to solve. Just a quick look at the market. The worldwide market for red chilies is about 5 metric tons annually, and a value of $1 billion. Our market from our production is already 3,000 metric ton, and we see this growing by demand from consumers for chemical-free products, but also the upcoming EU regulation making it mandatory that we, as a buyer, know where the product is coming from. So our solution is chemical-free chili with 100% verifiable data on growth and handling stored in the blockchain. What will give that us? We will become a trustworthy supplier of chili and chili products. How we want to do that? We want to introduce smart farming to our controlled farm. A controlled farm is like a greenhouse. We can monitor what we put in, what we get out, and also have a higher yield and less waste. We want to make the chemical-free verifiable and also validated by independent labs. Currently, this is hard to do. So we want to, from a customer point of view, want to make the experience quite easy. You scan the QR code on a product. A product could be a batch or a lot of chilies or chili paste. You can trace back the origin of the chili, the processing location, even the logistics chains and lab tests in a matter of seconds. This is quite unique. Nowadays, traceability is a process of many steps and can take long time. The long times we probably talk about weeks. In our solution, we're going to be bringing that back to a couple of seconds. So we are on a journey. We actually have the farm, the greenhouse farms up and running. We're producing the first test batches of chilies without any chemicals. We need to expand the concept, the proof of concept into, let's say, smart farming. We need to add sensors, farm management systems, and blockchain solutions. We need about 50,000 euro for that. And in the same phase, we try to scale up to multiple farms to see the effectiveness of the concept, and the scaling up is probably going to be 3 to 4 farms at 150,000 K per farm. In the next 2 to 5 year time frame, we plan to scale, connect with third parties, diversify crops, and introduce finished consumer products. This is the call to action to you, and if you have any questions, I'm very happy to take them now. Thank you very much.